Hello, and welcome to the first edition podcast series by Matt McQueen. Today's topic will be an overview entitled Sustainability from Scratch. The frameworks of American cities were built to sustain the populations of the 1920s. The idea of the frameworks is the intake and outputs of the city and the basic flow of operations, the ducts and conduits beneath our feet, the pipes and cables behind our walls, and the industrial plants beyond our city limits. The exponential population growth presents cities of all sizes with a problem in need of a solution. Not just a solution, a revolution. The sustainable reform of cities will have to address problems in the framework and relating issues such as energy sources, transportation, sewage and waste disposal, natural resources, urban sprawl, water and air pollution, biodiversity, and conservation. Today I will address the issues facing cities around the world regarding their current well-being and that of their future. Sustainability of human lifestyles must be reached to provide a habitable environment for future generations. The government, business communities, and civil society all play an equal role in the pursuit of a sustainable world. To first understand the importance of the pursuit of a sustainable world, one must fully realize the definition of the movement and perceive the difference from that of the term stabilization. Stabilization is misperceived by the common man and government to mean order, conformity, and control. This is in turn rigidity. As author Tom Robin puts it, true stability results when presumed order and presumed disorder are balanced. A true stable system expects to be unexpected, is prepared to be disrupted, waits to be transformed. This idea of stability more closely relates to that of sustainability. Sustainability is the processes or actions of maintaining the necessities of life without hindering that of future generations. Governments in their cities should reflect stable social, economical, and ecological environments, a framework that is flexible and partneristic to the withstanding and dynamically changing environment that all life depends on. For many reasons, cities can be the solution to environmental problems. For the first time in history, there is a larger urban population than rural. Because of this, cities are the largest contributor to climate change through greenhouse gas emissions. Through consumer influence, cities have the power to change the lifestyles of their population. The physical density of cities gives an advantage to fighting emissions. Energy and efficiency is lost with greater distance. Less movement in compact cities means less energy loss from transportation, including commuters, goods, and energy supply. It is necessary to change the relationship between governments and institutions with their environment. An eco-partnership would be the turning point in the extremities of climate change. Many cities in America and across the globe are starting to invest in the sustainable movement. There are three main areas that cities can promote sustainability: transport, energy, and eco-partnership. Transportation is a growing issue in the 21st century. With populations rising and the current trend of longer commutes, stress is put on the environment from transportation. A rise in eco-friendly automobiles and an increase in public transit will be necessary to sustain transportation. As fossil fuels run low in the world today, new energy resources must be adopted in order to sustain the activities of the world. Total energy use worldwide is projected to grow to 553 quads in 2015 to 645 quads in 2025. These numbers include petroleum or oil products, coal, hydroelectric power, nuclear power, geothermal power, wind and solar power, etc. Renewable and alternative energy sources must now make up the majority of energy used in the world today. Green businesses demonstrate smart resource use and conservation of energy and products. This is the primary form of eco-partnership, using and producing pre-cycled and recycled products. In the pursuit of a sustainable world, more efforts must be seen from governments, businesses, and individuals in order to mediate the effects of climate change and ultimately move to a post-carbon era.